We're at Lake Michigan feeding the birds, and these seagulls are becoming so used to us that I put a hand of popcorn out. Wait, come on. I've had them landing and perching on me and eating out of my hand. But now that I'm filming, nobody's gonna do it. Come on. Oops. There he is. Whoops. Oh, nobody's just gonna stand there. Let's try it one more time. We're at Lake Michigan. Okay, here we go. Oh, one almost did it. Oops. Oh, there's one. See, look. He just lands on my arm and eats out of my hand. It's all gone, bub. I gotta get some more.